Top 5 unique business ideas for student entrepreneurs in Europe that you haven't heard before. Starting a business can be an excellent way for students to supplement their income and even make a full-time income while they're still in college. It can also be an excellent way to build your resume and develop your business skills. Here are 5 unique business ideas that student entrepreneurs in Europe can consider to make their mark. 1. Virtual event planning. As businesses are embracing the virtual world, organizing virtual events is a great way to help them out. For students who have a knack for organizing, a virtual event planning business can be a great option. You can assist companies in planning and executing their virtual events such as online conferences, networking events, and more. 2. Personalized meal plan services. Health and wellness services are becoming more popular nowadays. With the rise of personalized meal plans, starting a customized meal plan service could be a viable option. With your knowledge as a student in nutrition or culinary arts, you can create personalized meal plans and deliver them to the client's doorstep. 3. Content creation services. If you have a talent for writing, photography, or videography, consider starting a content creation business. Many small businesses, bloggers, and social media influencers are always looking for someone to create content for them. You can offer your services for a fee, work on your own schedule, and hone your creative skills. 4. Computer repair services. As technology becomes ever more vital, computer repair services are continuously in demand. If you're tech-savvy, consider offering computer repair services to your fellow students and local businesses. You can offer services such as hardware and software installations, data recovery, and virus removal, and charge a reasonable price while you're still studying. 5. Eco-friendly cleaning services. The world is becoming more conscious of the impact of products on the environment. As a student, you can take advantage of this trend by starting an eco-friendly cleaning service. You can use eco-friendly cleaning products and tools to clean private homes, offices, and other commercial spaces. Through this, you can make a difference in reducing chemical exposure and environmental damage. These are just a few of the business ideas that students in Europe can consider. By leveraging your skills and interests, you can create a business that not only pays the bills but also helps you gain valuable experience that can kickstart your career. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZ.